guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a tutorial on how I apply my eyeshadow for deep set eyes. So I kind of stumbled upon how I should be, not stumbled upon, I went for a nap one day, got up and was like, oh, I want to do a full face makeup glam. But I kind of started playing with placement a little bit different and was kind of just analyzing my eyes a little bit more and being a little bit more aware of where I was placing my eyeshadow because of the shape of my eyes. I never used to really love playing with eyeshadow. I never really liked the way it turned out because of the shape of my eyes. So when I would go in with my crease color, whatever it may be, it was just kind of getting lost in under there. So I just kind of started playing around with how I should place my eyeshadow and came up with a look that I loved, that I felt so confident about. And I think that if you have deep set eyes as well, this will work so beautifully for you. I'm so excited to kind of play around with looks more now that I've kind of figured out my eye shape a little better. So if you guys would like to see this eyeshadow look and you have deep set eyes as well, then just keep watching. Right, so as you can see, even when I don't have any eyeshadow on, it kind of already looks like I have that crease shade because of my stronger brow bone and my eyes being deeper set. And so the first thing I did was put on concealer, and I used the Kylie Jenner Skin Conceal. That one is more hydrating. So in the corner of my eyes here, where they're pretty deep, there's shading, there's blue, purple tinges to the skin. So I just wanted to lighten that up, and also just kind of watching people when they're doing their makeup that don't have deep set eyes, whether they have just, I don't know, all the shapes of the eyes, but they can kind of just go in with their blending brush, which what I was doing as well, taking that crease color and just haphazardly through the crease. So for me, when I do that, it kind of just accentuates the fact that I already have that line there, that my eyes do go that far in, and I find that it just looks messy. So what I'm going to do is go in with my crease color. Which color I'm going to use? I think I'm going to start off with this, just something lighter first. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to work upon this part of my brow bone more. And I'm going to stay up there. And I'm going to go right under my eyebrow. And I want to kind of shade this all out, because the more that there's light there, the stronger the brow bone looks. Like it looks more hooded and my eyes look deeper. So I kind of want to take that away, and I don't even really need to highlight this brow bone because I have a predominant brow bone. So I'm just going to do that and blend that out, and I'm not going in the crease at all because I already have such a deep crease. And you can see people that don't have that deep crease line, once they put it on, it creates the crease for them, and I can already see it now. Like the shape of my eyes look nicer, they stand out better, and it just looks a lot cleaner. It looks more even, because our eyes are different shapes, and mine are not quite different, but they're different. Once I start going in with a dark color in that crease, it really kind of accentuates that, but just dragging this on in a similar motion kind of just keeps them looking a little bit more even. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with a darker color. I'm going to go in with that color. I don't think these colors, no, they don't have names. So this is the London London. Revolution Makeup Revolution London. So I'm going to go in with this darker color, and I'm going to stay to the outside, but I'm still going to stay up on this brow bone and just blend it. You can even drag it out to give you kind of a wing, but just staying up here. Now I'm going to go in with an even darker neutral brown color and a different kind of fluffy dome brush, a little bit more dense. And I'm just going to stick to the outside corner, still more on my brow bone. And I can kind of just go in near the end of my eye. Because you can see I already have that deep shading there, so this will kind of just match up to that. And I'm not going to go in any more than that on my eye. And then I'll take the brush that I was using before and just kind of blend it through. And then I'm going to go in and do that on the other side as well. We are done the darker color and the crease color. I'm going to go in with the lightest color in the palette right here and more of a kind of curved flat brush. And I'm going to go in and do a little bit of a cut crease, which I can actually see now because there's not a bunch of dark makeup there. Just gonna put it in the corner where it's deepest, and that is just gonna bring my eye forward. Like, this has totally changed the shape of my eye, and I'm absolutely loving it, and I can't wait to kind of play with different colors now, because when I would do it before, like, you just wouldn't even see it because it would just all get lost underneath my brow bone. So this has totally changed the way I am doing my makeup. So it was fun to learn something in quarantine. And then I'll have more room to play too if I want to put on some shimmers and stuff, like you'll be actually be able to see them. So maybe I'll try a little bit of this foiled color right here and just pat that in. It's not a very strong shimmer, but yeah, you see it a little bit. But before it would just be like, I don't know, just totally change the shape of my eyes. So exciting. And maybe I will go in with an angled brush and just take the medium brown color I was using and drag that under my eye a little bit. And that can even join up to that color here. All right, now I'm just gonna go and put on some eyeliner and mascara. So I just tightlined with my e.l.f. eyeliner, my black eyeliner, and then put on some Colossal Maybelline mascara just to finish it off. And I love it. Like, I never loved wearing eyeshadow. I don't know. I'd wear it on like special occasions, but day to day, hardly any. If I did, it was just one color all over, and I don't know how I just stumbled upon the fact, just looking at pictures. I think I was just looking through eyeshadow and just kind of analyzing my eyes, and I just went for it. I was like, let me just apply it up here more instead of the crease. Like, I didn't even need to go into the crease with the eyeshadow, and I don't know, came up with a look that I love. Um, Let me know in the comments if you guys have deep set eyes, what tricks you do, if this was helpful and something you want to try too. Yeah, absolutely love. So excited. So excited about eyeshadow now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.